Mike Hughes here. I'm at the Marine Science and Technology Center at Highline College, and I'm here with Jessica. And Jessica, you want to tell us a little bit about your program?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. So we're the Marine Science and Technology Center, part of Highline College, like you mentioned. We are a free public aquarium open to the public Saturdays from 10 to 2. We also have some really awesome opportunities for divers and non-divers alike. We've got some great volunteer programs. Some of them include aquarium maintenance, talking to the public, and then we even have some dive programs too. We're actually looking to expand our dive team. So we use these awesome two-way face masks during our open hours, and so the public is able to communicate with the divers and talk to them while they go underwater with cameras. And we can ask them questions while they're under there, and they can essentially give us a tour of the ocean right off of our dock here. So
And that dock is where?
Redondo Beach.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're located on Redondo, and this happens once a month, every second Saturday.
Every second Saturday.
Yep.
Okay, and anything else they should know about the volunteer programs or anything?
Well, we do have, like I said, the live dive. We've got aquarium techs. We also have some citizen science programs too.
Okay.
We have a jellyfish aquaculture team where we grow our own jellyfish.
Nice.
We have a nudibranch population observation team where we come in and count nudibranchs in our tank because we have an open flow system. So they recruit naturally, so it's a good proxy for what's actually out there in the sound.
Oh, cool.
And then we also have a marine mammal stranding team. So we are the first responders from all the way to West Seattle to Tacoma for any sick stranded marine mammals. So
Right, and we
about
can
them.
see some of the other pictures and looking at the science programs.
Yep.
Any octopus in your aquariums?
We do. We have about a 10-inch red right now.
Okay.
Yeah, no GPOs, but we're hoping for one soon.
So the little reds, are they easy to keep in the tank or what?
Yeah, they're fairly easy to keep in a tank, actually.
Okay,
Yeah,
not
they're
like the
pretty
Great
happy.
Pacifics.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Absolutely.
And if they want more information about your programs, the volunteer programs,
Yeah, you can just contact us at MaST at highline.edu.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, absolutely.